Hi friends, today we are going to see the essay on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the People's President. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, fondly known as the Missile Man of India, was one of the most respected scientists, teachers, and leaders the country has ever produced. Rising from a humble background to become the 11th President of India, his life is a powerful story of hard work, integrity, and dreams. Dr. Kalam was not just a president or a scientist, he was a symbol of hope and inspiration for millions of young minds. Early life and education. Aul Pakir Jainalabdin Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu into a modest family. His father was a boat owner and imam and his mother was a homemaker. From a young age, Kalam learned the value of discipline, honesty and simplicity. To support his family, he sold newspapers as a child, which taught him responsibility early in life. Kalam pursued physics at St. Sophia's College and later studied aerospace engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. Despite financial challenges, his determination and passion for learning never weakened. Scientific career and achievements. Dr. Kalam began his career at the Defense Research and Development Organizations, means DRDO, and later joined the Indian Space Research Organizations, means ISRO. He played a key role in developing India's first indigenous satellite launch vehicle, means SLV 3. We successfully placed the Rohini satellite into orbit in 1980. He was instrumental in India's missile development programs, including Agni and Prithvi missiles, earning him the title Missile Man of India. His leadership in the 1998 Pokhran nuclear test further strengthened India's position on the global stage. For his contributions, he received several prestigious awards, including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. Role as the President of India. In 2002, Dr. Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India, known as the People's President. He connected deeply with citizens, especially students. Unlike traditional leaders, he welcomed children to Rashtrapati Bhavan and encouraged innovation, education, and creativity. During his presidency, he emphasized national development through his vision of India 2020, focusing on science, technology, education, and rural development. A teacher, author, and visionary. Even after his presidency, Dr. Kalam remained a lifelong teacher. He loved interacting with students and believed that youth were the strongest force for national progress. His books, such as Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, and India 2020, continue to inspire readers worldwide. He often said Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. His words motivate students to dream big and work hard to achieve their goals. Values simplicity and legacy. Dr. Kalam lived a life of simplicity, humility, and honesty. He never sought personal wealth or power and remains deeply connected to his roots. His death on 27 July 2015, while delivering a lecture to students, symbolizes his lifelong dedication to education. Conclusion and everlasting inspiration. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was more than a leader. He was a guiding light for generations. His life teaches us that greatness comes from dedication, knowledge, and service to humanity. Even today, his vision, values, and words continue to inspire India and the world to dream big and work selflessly for a better future. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which topic you'd like to see next. Thanks.